Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. The exact model number is AN515-54. This is a black version. I'm upgrading because my other laptop is falling apart basically. I've got it here with me today, so have a look. And that specs is much better for what I do on it, so yeah. Okay. So the battery always has to be plugged in, otherwise it just dies on the spot. F2 key is missing, F4 key recently moved, it doesn't go back in. So I even tried super gluing, but then it's permanently pressing it basically. So that was pointless as well. So yeah, I just decided to go ahead and just get a new laptop again. So yeah, my last one I bought a Dell G15 or 13, I can't remember. Dell G5 15-inch or some shit, I don't know what it was, but it'll probably be up already. It was blue screen after blue screen after blue screen, too many problems to count. Couldn't even go on the internet on it, that's how bad it was. So yeah, that was the most pointless laptop I've had in my life. Alright guys, so hopefully this Acer one's okay, because this Acer has lasted 6 years approximately. Well, 6 years approximately. So that's not bad, you know. And to say for 6 years only these two buttons are broken and the battery's gone. Battery going, that's normal, because that's 6 years. After 6 years, battery's going to be knackered anyway, because you're always charging it constantly. So yeah. So now we got the new one. So we'll have a look at that and I'll tell you what specs is and stuff. Let me go ahead and unbox it for you. Okay, so we got a seal here. This came all the way from Poland. They got some distribution warehouse in Poland for some reason. Probably cheaper there or something, I don't know. That's gonna be hard with one hand. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video for a second and then do it. Alright guys, as you can see, it's been packaged well with the bubble wrappies. Okay. Oh, very thick bubble wrap. Look at that. Look how thick that is. So that's really well. I'm hoping there is a laptop in here. Yeah, there is. That's nice. That's nice. Look at that. Got a new Acer case. And it's got a handle. My last one didn't have a handle. That's pretty cool. I like that. Go ahead and pull this out. So very... Oh. Look at that. Wow, that looks amazing. For comparison, I'll go show you my normal case. If it's still there. Yeah, it is. Okay. There's my perfume collection currently. So yeah, have a look there. That's the old one. As you can see, it is very useless. That old one is very ugly. This one is very sexy. It looks like some Chinese shit. Or world, I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, it's like a game. It looks like some sort of soldier in a war. Yeah, soldiers. You can see him with the gun. So this is just to show it like it's a gaming laptop. That's really good. Nitro 5. We have a look at the top. Got a code there, nothing else there. Carrying handle. Candle. Okay. Let me have a look here. Okay. So we got these are the specs. Windows 10 i7-9750H. So the 9750H has a 6-core. It's a 6-core CPU, and it's very new. It's not even 1 year new yet at the time of this recording. Okay. Actually, I'll tell you more specs about the CPU. Okay, so that's the CPU. As you can see, launch date was second quarter of 2019. We're just in 2020 now. It's very new still. 14 nanometers, very small. So that's really good. It's got 6 physical cores, 12 threads. 2.6 is the minimum base frequency basically. And the max turbo is 4.5. So when you are doing more heavy stuff, you can kick up to 4.5. Usually, I'm hoping the Dell had one thing annoyed me was when you're gaming, the fan would go crazy, and it was just annoying. I couldn't hear anything. Hopefully, this is better because I've seen the videos. It has a bigger. I've seen the teardown videos, and this has a much bigger. What do you call it? Thermal shield, whatever you call it. Intake shield. I don't know. Exhaust shield, something like that. Covers more of the thingy to get rid of the heat, dissipate the heat better. It's got 12 MB smart intelligent cache. To compare it to this is a dual core i3-405U. It's got 3 MB cache. It's not the best. Like internet, if I'm on internet and Discord at the same time, my Discord voice will cut off if I open more than 3 or 4 tabs, which is a bad thing. And just normal, I can't run the new YouTube videos page because it's too intensive for my computer. Well, my CPU, because it's only dual core and it's 1.7 gigahertz, so this one's miles better. Bus speed is a lot better. Okay, it does take a lot more power. That's obviously because it's more powerful. Okay, you can take 120 gigs RAM, DDR4 at that speed, or you can get low power one at 2133. Yeah, it's got better inbuilt graphics card, but that doesn't matter. We got one in the card itself, in the PC itself. Most of this is got as well, Intel Optane and stuff. Yeah. Alright guys, let's go back to the unboxing. Okay, so it's got a 15.6 inch full HD Acer Comfy View IPS LED LCD. Okay, so Comfy View is just basically anti-glare screen, basically. That's what it is. It's got NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 with 4GB GDDR5. They are bringing out GDDR6 version, but that's gonna be probably in another few months time, so it's not worth the wait for me. Yeah, so I got this for £1,000, which is not that bad. So yeah, you can also get the 1050 with this. It's about £100 cheaper, but for £100 more you get better performance, miles better. You might as well get this. I reckon this should last me another 6 years, maybe even longer, because these are overkill specs for me. Dedicated VRAM, 8 gigs of DDR4 memory, 512 gig NVMe SSD. I've seen the teardown. There's a second SSD slot, the NVMe M.2 slot, so I'll probably put another one in there. And there's also a SATA slot where you can put a normal hard drive, which I'm probably going to take out the SSD out there and put in there as well. So I'll have 3 hard drives in there, all fast ones. It's got no optical drive. It's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Okay, 55 watt-hour Li-ion battery and 1 month trial new office. Okay, lithium-ion batteries. If the seal is broken, check contents if seal is broken. It looks okay. Intel inside. Let's have a look at this side. This side's just got codes on it, shipping and stuff. Okay. Alright guys, I broke that seal. Should we just pull out like that? That's hard to do with one hand. That nearly cut me. Feel that. Fucking hell. There you go. Oh shit. Well, that didn't go well. Yeah, I don't think I can do this with one hand. Oh, maybe. Oh, you pull it up, not down. No wonder. Okay. Let me put this flat down. Ready for the unboxings, guys. Bam, my new laptop. And I gotta take all the... Oh no, I don't. I have to take all the sellotape off on the side as well. So, let me have a look here. Bam, it's right there. So it's in there. I'm gonna take it out now. It's very hard to do with one hand. Let me stretch this back a bit. Hopefully it doesn't break any more than it is already. That's pretty cool. Okay. Right. Some software is there. Oh, we got an actual booklet. That's pretty cool. That's like a manual. I've never got a manual before. Setup guide. Let's have a look at that quickly. Oh. Yeah, Windows 10. It's just teaching you how to use Windows 10. Cortana and stuff. Let's have a look at the back. Yeah, and Acer's Care Center. That's about it. How to connect to internet. Okay. Okay. And this box should have all the wires in. Let's have a look. It's a premium box, just black. Not black. Yeah, just got the charger cable in there. HDD upgrade cable. Ooh. Fancy. Okay, so you can plug that into your motherboard. So there's a lot of upgradability available on this. Not sure, there's extra screws, I guess. They've really done this well. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Why's there 2 leads? I think they give it extension as well, which is pretty cool stuff. Yeah. Okay. And this is the laptop itself. I'm gonna pause the video while I pull it out. You got a nice case with it as well. That's really nice. It's like a felt case. Very high quality. Whoa. It's even got cool numbers in that. Whoa, look at this. This alone. Fucking hell. High quality. I like it. Alright, let me see how you take this off. Oh, you put off one side each. Careful. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. Now this laptop is quite heavy, but so is my old one. So I wouldn't say it's much heavier. Maybe a tiny bit. It's definitely lighter than the Dell G3, because I couldn't lift that with one hand. From like here, I couldn't lift it like that. It bear down basically. So yeah. Now we're looking here. Oh, fucking hell. Hopefully I don't rip this one. There you go. That is nice. Look at that design, guys. Let me pull this off somehow. It's very difficult. Whoa, look at that red line. That is a really nice design. Oh, told you it'd slip. Let me see it like this. There you go. So we got some nice texture here. I like that. I'm really liking the design. Fucking hell, look at that design. The matte black with the red. Oof, and it's angled in the corners. Now this isn't that fat. It's actually, might be the same size as this. Or might be even thinner. I think this is thinner than that. This is thinner than my old laptop. No wonder it's not heavier. Maybe it's the same size. Have a look at that. They're about the same size. That is mad, that. Fucking hell, guys. How did they manage that? So that's a 15.6 inch as well. This is 15.6 inch. But that's 768. This is 1080p. Let me have a look at the back. Oh my god. Look at them exhaust ports. So there you go. You've got a fan there. That's where all the air is going to come out. So we've got two fans there. Let me have a look. These are powerful hinges. I'm liking it. Got more exhaust in there. Fucking hell, guys. Alright, guys. So let's have a look at the side. Kensington lock, Ethernet. This is the new Ethernet design, slim one. You just literally pull it out. Got HDMI, USB-C, 2 USB 3.0s, 3.1s. I mean, sorry about that. So that's just like my old laptop. Let's have a look at the front. Okay, so there's actually nothing at the front, I don't think. Or is that the back? No, that's the front. Usually there's indicators like on this one. Maybe there is, but I've not seen it. Who knows? Unless the lights are, no, the indicator on the side. So the front is completely empty. Headphone jack on the right. One thing I wanted that I hated on the Gel 3 was the power supply. Power adapter was on the left side. And there's where I sit right there and play. There's my power. If it's on the left, it becomes a mess. Really big mess. Got another exhaust port there. I think both sides have an exhaust port. So it's very... I reckon the fans will be quiet on this. USB normal 2.0. I don't get why didn't they just put another 3.0 there. Just be better. Okay, hard drive disk light, blah blah blah. Battery light. I'm guessing it'll be blue and orange, or maybe even red. Who knows? Wow, look at that. You can see the graphics card inside there. Got the 2 fans in there. That is insane, guys. Hot surface warning, do not touch. I'm really liking this, guys. Okay, so all the screws come off and then you can take off the bottom and upgrade it. There will be, you can do a bit of upgrading on it, so don't be worried about that. Now let's have a look at the main screen. Okay, HD 1080p full. Oh, why they put a sticker there? This has got screen protector on. Nope, it doesn't. Does it? I can't tell. No, I don't think so. But I'm liking these corners and stuff. They're really nice. Okay, got a webcam there. Acer sign in matte black. That is nice. Fucking hell, guys. What? Alright, it's off right now, but because of the light, it's reflecting red, which is mad. So let me have a look. Dual M.2 support and one hard drive support, like I said. Narrow bezel IPS display, so you can watch it on any angle. That's one problem I had with that, but it wasn't that bad because it's like a privacy thing, I guess. Acer Nitro sensor and cool boost, so it knows when it's hot and cold. Acer network optimizer, HDMI port. Okay. Oh, I'm liking that. Look how sparkly that is as well. Fucking hell. Okay. NVIDIA GeForce GTX i7 blah blah blah. Okay. Now let's have a look. Okay. The one thing that is missing that the Dell has beat it on is the fingerprint sensor on that, the power button. That's something I would love to have, because right now I'm using that, so that takes up a full USB, and that's my mouse there. So yeah, you just do it like that. So that's going to be transferred onto here, I'm guessing now, because yeah, why not? Okay. Ooh, I'm liking the feeling of these keys, and there's a bit of a thickness on these WASD keys, so that you can feel them in the dark, I'm guessing. I don't know. It's backlit anyway, so what difference does it matter? Let's see if it boots up. I don't think it should, because last few laptops I got, they did boot up. Yeah, so it's got no charge, so I'll do our first boot up video soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. If you want me to get more laptops, let me know. Bye.